Just making a basic, I'm just testing out some functions. I'm trying to create a function where, or at least a method in which I can just create any type of element I want with just one, using just one function. And that's what I'm trying to make right here. It's all right here. I'm using JavaScript and a subcategory of JavaScript called w3.js. I'm also using for CSS w3.css. They're actually pretty cool. Actually pretty cool functions. So let's get started. For the X selector, this is basically just, I'm going to pass this into a parameter. So that way you can just type in whatever element you want, and then you can choose whether you want to add a style or to add a class within this function. That'll be the X selector. And let me see here. I'm just looking for a tutorial actually. Just seeing how to do the basic syntax for w3.js and w3.css. So what I want to do is create a style. So let me go to the style tab to see how that's done. Property. I'm missing property. Okay, let's add that. Create property. Create. Prop, or should I say prop? I should probably say prop for property. Prop X. Create prop X. And we are going to actually use document.query selector again. I already have it for the X selector, but I'm going to add it in here again, that just for to create the X value of property. Then again, I could use a Y selector and pass that through. No, let's make property separate. This is going to be exclusively for the create style section. So let's make it separate. Document query selector. This is mostly DOM stuff. I haven't even gotten the DOM in the unit, but I kind of skipped ahead. I actually skipped ahead to React. I'm a real good getter. What can I say? I should probably put create X in here instead of I. Yeah, that would be better. Create X. Those will be the global properties right here. So that I probably won't even need the bar. I shouldn't even be using bar. I should be using let or const. I don't even know why I'm using bar. But this is for testing purposes, so it's fine. It's fine for now. I'll change them to let once I'm done with testing this. Well, so this is just the testing phase. So var is fine for now. Var should only be used for testing purposes. If you don't want to get any restrictions or anything like that within your functions or whatever syntax you're doing for testing purposes. But the actual code, when you're publishing the code, the apps, never use var, ever. It'll mess with your code. It'll screw you up. Next selector, we want, I should probably put comments in here too, because I'm kind of confusing myself here. Starting selector. I'll just put this up here. And notice I don't really use semicolons for my line of code. I don't know why I stopped doing that, because I used to do it out of habit when I was using C++, but I stopped doing it for JavaScript. I was doing it for a little bit, but when I heard you didn't have to use them, I like, well, fuck that. I ain't using them. Yeah, but oh, whatever. It's whatever. Moving on. All right, let's see what we got here. We got an X selector. Okay. I'm gonna put in, instead of these two, I'm gonna put in create X or Y, so I can have a little argument in the parameter. That way nobody will have to worry about, oh man, am I putting in a damn create X or create Y. Why not either or? And then just see what happens. Because I really don't want to put in too many nesting functions in here, and it'll just get on my nerves. Yeah. Too many functions within functions, it confuses the hell out of me, even with comments. But with that said, regardless of that, I actually like working with classes in JavaScript or in C++. They're fun to use, and they're very useful. And in fact, that's what I'm using. That's what I'm doing for this testing function. I'm trying to put this into my already made class. And as a matter of fact, let me show you my class real quick. This is my master class for this site. Here we go. This is called PFBMasterClass. Isn't it a beauty? Some of these methods are nested, and I gotta extract them real quick. This is my line of code. So far, most of the methods don't work yet because I'm still in the testing phase right now. As you can see, right here, I'm testing the static methods. Static methods are basically methods within a class that are restricted only to that class. And you can't pass them to any other property or any other prototype. So you have to call it through the class, the master class. For instance, let me just say some semantics here. PFB masterclass dot PFB library. And that's how you would call that class. I mean that method, sorry. That's how you would call that method within the class. Okay, enough rambling on. Back to the code. Back to the main Main problem. Yeah, I went to Maine just by saying Maine. Oh my God, I'm supposed to be going to what's it called? Man, where was I going? Where is it? Oh, test.html. Okay, here we go. Test.html. This is just my testing HTML page. It got like an empty little page with nothing on it, a blank page. But when I pass through some arguments and things like that, it'll really get lively. It'll get real lively. In fact, I created a working function called editor, and I just pass through any type of selector and put .enter HTML, and then pass through an argument, pass through a new query, and it'll display on the page. It'll create. Right now, I'm working on the create method, or create function for now. It'll be a method soon. But yeah. Okay, moving on. What was I doing? All right. Add a comment for create X or Y. Either X or Y values within the create L function. We're not actually going to be passing through an argument, passing through through any variables. We're not passing through the create X or create Y variables. We're just going to use create X or Y for this parameter. I don't want too many crazy. I just want to keep the code simple, you know. Just keep it simple, stupid. All right. Let's see what we're doing here. All right. I'm gonna add a comment here. Pass the values. All right. X class. And it's so nice that I'm not getting any problems in my VS Code. Look at this. See right here? No problems. No problems have been detected in the workspace so far. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, but I forgot to commit. Let me commit real quick before I lose everything. It does happen. I lose all my shit. And I lose my shit. I lose all my shit and I lose my shit. Yeah, that makes sense. All right. What was it again? Get commit. There we go. I said it earlier. I forgot to commit my shit. Make progress. No, I can't spell. Make progress on master class. I'm probably not going to push this yet. You know what? Screw it. I'm going to push it. Push it. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, that's done and done. All right, let's see, where was I? Ah, yes. No, I don't remember. Okay, just kidding. All right, X class, what's this? Specifically, this is specifically for the create class right here that I'm about to create. In fact, let me pass in a variable there. What should I call this? Create class. And I'm going to get rid of this. Or should I? No, I should not. All right, let's see. Create property. Selector. This should be, yeah, this is right. All right, so what am I doing here? Y class. I could have sworn I created, where's the Y class? In here. Did I even pass it? No, I didn't. I didn't create it at all. What am I doing? What am I doing? Create Y. Y. And this will be, all right. This is going in here because it's supposed to pass through a property. Create, you're supposed to create, add a property in here. So this variable right here is going right in there. And then, yeah. Should I put create X? Well, there's always already a create Y in here. In fact, I'm going to put create Y. X selector. I should probably create an X or Y selector. Yeah, that would be a good idea, I think. I think that will work. There, create X or X or Y selector equals create X or, wait, did I even create? No, this is all wrong. X selector or Y selector, and I didn't even create a Y selector yet. So let me create that right now. No, let me just pass it through the parentheses. That's what I was doing and trying to do in the first place. Sheesh. X or Y selector. Blah, blah, blah. Let me get rid of this bar because it's already passed through a parameter. And I did not add a V in here because it's already passed through a parameter in the main function, create. Maybe I should show you what's actually working already. Unless I messed with it already. No, I didn't mess with it. If I pass in 0 in here, right here, then it should display hello. It should be the greet. I just did that. I just put this in there for this little function, this simple ass function for testing purposes, just to make sure it works, and it works. It didn't work at first because I realized that I was supposed to put the script down the bottom. No, actually, it was because, it was because I didn't put the script down the bottom. It's supposed to be at the bottom of the body tag. Okay. And here's, wait, no, this is all a bunch of shit. Look at all this shit. All right. This is the body tag right here. Should be below that. Not outside of it. Actually, it was because it was outside of the body. That's why it wasn't working at first. And I was losing oh man. I was just losing it. I was like, why isn't it working? I'm not getting any problems. I'm not getting any errors. What the fuck? And I was like, oh, I gotta put it in the body. Shit. Moving on. All right, let me see. I gotta love JavaScript. Gotta love code. All right. Let me see here. All right, comment. X class. Where did I pass this through? Did I pass through anything? It was supposed to be in the X. It was supposed to be in the Actually, I think it was supposed to be in the in here in the create class. Maybe I screwed up somewhere. I'm wondering. All right, let me see here. What do we got so far? We got create X or Y, pass through the variable, pass through the parameter, and we don't have X or Y selector pass through the parameter yet. So let me do that real quick. And we don't need that bar. So. Oh, yes, we do. We got it right here. Oh my God, I'm so blind. It's right here. That's why I got rid of the bar in the first place. I'm so dumb. All right, moving on. What am I using this for? I made it specifically to get the element by class name, so it should, in theory, go in here. So create X selector. It's supposed to get a query selector. Yeah, I definitely should not put this in here because it'll pass through any type of, or is that what I want? Should it be, yeah, actually I should put X class in here and then X selector in here. Yeah. But I should make it another X or Y. I should put, yeah, X selector in here. Yeah. I did it right the first time. And this should be Y selector. That's where I got screwed up. I didn't even create the Y selector. That's why I'm getting loosey goosey. Y selector equals document dot query selector create Y. I guess. Yeah, create Y. And I gotta capitalize that. Y. You know what? I can do this better. X or Y selector. Aha, see what I did there? X or Y selector. That way, when I pass this through here, it'll do either or. Do I even need this? Actually, I don't even need any of this. I don't need this at all. No, wait. No, let's not get ahead of ourselves here. We do need this starting selectors. Yeah, I'm getting ahead of myself. Let's just go with the plan. Go with the regular plan. Create X, create Y. Okay, we got it down here. Create X or Y. But did I even? Yeah, I did not create them. No, that's it. Yes, I did. I just got to put them up here so I can see them. Damn it. God damn it. I'm so messy in real life and in code. Messy. Now, back to the original problem. What the hell am I going to do with this? And just to give you an idea of what I'm trying to do with this class, this testing phase, I'm just trying to pass it. Like I said before, I'm trying to pass it into a class that I already made. I already showed you the class, but I'm just trying to create a multifunctional class that I can just create so I can create like little code snippets, like little code, what you call it, code prototypes, like class prototypes, and just pass them through whenever I need them for my site. But that's pretty much it. Let me see here. Now, once again, what am I doing with this? I should probably call this create prop Y, because I want the Y's to go and I want the Y's to go into the style, the create style. Make X go to style, X go to class, and Y go to style. So that's why I tripped myself up here a little bit. Create X. I'm clean this up a little bit. Tab, tab, tab. Let me see here. What can we do with this? Just cleaning up a little bit. Okay. I wonder if I should add an attribute. Nah, we can do that later. I can add an attribute to it later. Let's just focus on one thing at a time. Tab, tab. Properties for style, for new style. Properties for new style. All right. The main question is, what the hell am I going to return this to? What am I going to return this function to after I pass it? After I pass all the properties, make all the arguments, and do all the lines of code. What am I going to pass this to? What am I going to return this? That is the question. How am I going to return all this? I guess if then do statements, if do wins, where, why, what. Okay, create style. So if I'm doing this, if I'm organizing this right, create style, this should go under create style. Bar style option. Okay, I know what I want to do now. I want to create an option where I can, okay, I want to pass options in here. Create option. This is bad practice. Create option. I. No, we don't need to do that. We don't need to do that. All right. That comes for later, actually. All right, where are we? Okay, let me just start, since I'm already on the page, let me just start with the add style. So now I need value. I need to create a value. Okay, create what? I already created the value. Well, I'll be damned. I'm so good. Sometimes I surprise myself. Value for style. Create Y. Okay, I think I got everything for the style option. But man, this thing is so big. It's actually bigger than the create. Well, actually, since the create function is all of this, it's getting kind of big. I might have to pass in another if statements down here and to do it. Yeah, I'm gonna have to. I have no choice but to do it. Create L. This should be create L. I'm done with that. At first I was trying to create a form based off of through HTML DOM, but that was taking too much time. I should just do that shit in React when I'm using React, because that just took up too much of my time. You know, just creating separate variables for the form, for the whole form. That's just time consuming and very inefficient. I could just go online and find generate a form generator or use Google. So I just scrapped that idea. And you know what? I'm gonna have to get rid of this eventually, but we'll see. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get rid of this. Well, I'm gonna get rid of it either or, but you know what? It's all good. I'm gonna have to take this out of here a little bit just to test it. In fact, let me do it now. So it won't. Ooh, what the hell am I doing? What the hell is that? That's for HTML. What's it doing down here? What's it doing? Well, we will. Why is it doing that? It's supposed to. What in the world? VS Code, you're weird. I'm not even in HTML and it's popping this up. All right. You want to play rough? Okay. We'll just do it like that. Now, and before I forget, let me paste this before I lose it. And then I get mad at myself. Ooh, we got a problem. What is this? I believe it belongs to. No, it didn't belong. I think it belonged to that, but not using it. Not using it right now. I can add it later. Add that later. What I'm interested in is this. This is what I'm interested in. This should be its own function, anyways. It should definitely be its own function, its own method within the class. With that said, I don't think I need this anymore. Okay, I'm going to stop here for now. Tune in again once I get this thing up and running. I'll try to keep up with the recordings. I know I've been on a long hiatus, but you know, that's life for you. Life is a wild card, and I keep drawing jokers. Later, y'all.